In this video, we will see how to generate a cover map. A cover map is a qualitative map of the concrete cover thickness of the first layer of reinforcement in concrete slabs. The cover map feature can be accessed from the Analytics tool on the toolbar under the Bridge menu. For more information on the Data Analytics tool, please watch the Data Analytics video. Select the desired quality for the map and set the asphalt cover thickness. You can also change the displayed unit magnitude. Click on the Create Map button to generate. When generating any map from Analytics, a message appears on the top to let you know that the hyperbola detection has started, and the first rebar layer appears on the Insights section on the left panel. During calculations, a progress sphere will appear next to the first rebar layer. You can still use the interface to perform other processing or visualization tasks during calculations. When the map is ready, a message will appear at the top of the window. Click on the item to display the map on the Slice View window. By hovering over or right-clicking on the cover map item, options for deleting, showing, or hiding the map appear. Select the map item to show its information section on the right panel. From here, you can change the asphalt layer thickness, change the color map used, or adjust the limits of the color map. By hovering over the cyan vertical lines, you can check the low and high cover limits. You can also select the search radius and the cell size, make the cover map transparent, check the calculated area for different cover values, and add comments associated with the cover map. You can also export the cover map. This will export a compressed zip file that includes a PNG image with the map, but also a CSV file with the cover thickness values and their corresponding XY coordinates.